I'm showing you Amzo's digital instant read food thermometer. This is the box that it came in. And along with the thermometer, there was a comprehensive food temperature guide in the box and instructions. There was an extra button battery. There's one that comes in the thermometer, so that means there's two. And there was a little message on top of the thermometer stuck to it that says press any button to turn it on, and press and hold the backlight button 3 seconds to turn it off, or it will automatically go off after 2 minutes. And then remove this label. Here's the thermometer. The probe just folds up into it, and you pull it down in order to use it. I want to put it in these hamburgers and see how they're doing. According to the chart, it needs to get to 160 degrees to be done, and it's at, let's see, 145. So it's got a little ways to go. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit. And maybe turn them over. Thanks to the brand Amzo for sending me this product to try out so that I could make this video. The thermometer is tightly sealed, and it has ridges around the edges so that you can grip it. If your hands are slick from cooking, you've got a good grip on it. It's got magnets on the back so you could adhere it to a magnet. I've got a knife strip on the wall, magnetic. I could put it on that knife strip. It has instant readout, accurate within 2 degrees, and you can put it on Fahrenheit or Celsius. A display can be backlit by pressing the top button. That's good for barbecuing outside at night. It's got a hold button, which is very nice because you can take the temperature of the food. If this was in the oven or the grill, you could press that hold button and take the thermometer away and then read it. So you don't have to have your hand in that oven or in that grill to read the thermometer. Be sure to calibrate your thermometer when it arrives to be sure it's at the right working temperature. Now let's try this hamburger, see what it says. 157, so it's almost there. I think I'll flip these again. Turn up the heat just a little. It should be done in just a very short time. Always cook your meat to a safe temperature. That one's 160. That one's 160. And that one's 160. So they're finished. Turned off the heat, and now I can take them out of the skillet and know that they're perfectly safe to eat because they're at the right temperature. If you'd like to get your own thermometer, just click on the link below.